As we look at the Canadian economy for April 2025, we've experienced some challenges and opportunities which we're going to see shape our real estate market over the next several months. The Bank of Canada held its overnight rate at 2.75%. So it's the first time that we've had a rate hold after 7 consecutive drops. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on June 4th, if they continue to hold and pause rates or if they start dropping again. Very unlikely that we're going to see rates go up anytime in the near future. On the employment front, Canada did see 33,000 job losses over the month of March. So that nudged unemployment up slightly to about 6.7%. So this is primarily part of a broader trend across a couple of sectors and companies such as General Motors and Hudson's Bay that have announced several layoffs and closures. Despite these contractions, many sectors are remaining strong and we're still seeing good demand for housing. Inflation slowed to 2.3% in March, and we experienced the strengthening of the Canadian dollar. So these factors could help encourage more people to jump in as we start to see a bit more confidence in our market. One of the biggest events impacting the Canadian economy over the last month was the election. And we had a lot of buyers and sellers sitting on the sidelines waiting to transact until they knew which party was going to get in. Now that the election has passed, regardless of who you were voting for, we should see more people start to enter into the market and transact. Here are some things in the Liberals' platform that are likely to impact our real estate market. So first of all, the federal government's housing plan is having a huge push to building more housing. So they're looking to build an additional 500,000 homes, which should ease affordability pressures. They're also looking at reducing some of the municipal development charges for multifamily properties, which will make it cheaper for people to build purpose-built rentals. A large focus is on affordable housing, so they're looking to be able to increase supply. First-time buyers will also receive a little bit of a leg up with the elimination of GST on new home purchases under $1 million. Now, in order for the Liberal government to come even remotely close to achieving their objective of 500,000 new homes entered into the market, they're going to have to really focus on getting our local municipalities on board and aligned with these proposed changes. So while there are a lot of hurdles and uncertainty right now in the market, with inflation dropping, interest rates holding stable, and the potential for a lot of new housing developments on the horizon, there's certainly a lot of opportunities still for people looking to buy or sell in our current market.